The Book of Ruth is a quiet but powerful reminder that even in our most painful and uncertain seasons, God is still at work in ways that we do not immediately see. Naomi and her family left Bethlehem because of famine and settled in Moab. But tragedy struck. Naomi's husband died, and later, both of her sons also passed away, left with her two daughters-in-law, Orpah and Ruth. Naomi decided to return to her homeland. She urged both women to stay in Moab and rebuild their lives. Orpah chose to stay, but Ruth refused to leave Naomi. With deep loyalty, Ruth said, "Where you go, I will go. Your people will be my people, and your God will be my God." So Ruth and Naomi returned to Bethlehem together. Life was difficult, and Ruth worked hard in the fields, gathering leftover grain to survive. Her kindness and dedication caught the attention of Boaz, a wealthy and generous landowner who was a relative of Naomi's family. He protected and provided for Ruth because of her character. Through God's guidance, Boaz and Ruth eventually married. Their union brought restoration and hope to Naomi's broken life. Even more, Ruth became part of the family line of King David and ultimately Jesus. The story of Ruth shows how faithfulness, kindness, and trust in God can turn a season of loss into a story of hope and new beginnings. There are moments in life when everything feels empty, when plans don't work out, when loss happens, when prayers feels unanswered, and when the future feels unclear. In those moments, it is easy to believe that nothing good can come out of what we are going through. But the message of Ruth speaks directly into that kind of season. At its heart, it is a story about ordinary people making extraordinary choices. A choices of love, a choices of loyalty, and a choices of faith in the middle of uncertainty. And through those choices, we see something powerful. God is always present, even in the background. God is not only present in the big dramatic moments of life. He is also present in a quiet, ordinary, in-between seasons, when you feel unseen, when you feel like nothing is changing, when you feel like you are just surviving each day. And often, it is in these hidden seasons that God is doing His deepest work. What feels like waiting may actually be a preparation. What feels like delay may actually be direction. What feels like close may be the beginning of restoration you cannot yet see. That is why we should read the book of Ruth, because it reminds us not to give up when life feels uncertain. It teaches us that loyalty, kindness, and faithfulness are never wasted. If you are in a season of struggle, waiting, or confusion, Ruth's message is simple but powerful. Keep going. Keep trusting. Keep choosing what is good. Keep holding on to faith, even in a small ways, because God is not absent in your situation. He is working slowly, quietly, and faithfully, turning even your hardest moments into something meaningful in time. And maybe the most important encouragement is this: your story is not stuck, and it is not over. Just like Ruth, what feels ordinary today may be the very place where God begins something beautiful tomorrow.